If your AirPods Pro start making loud beeping sounds after getting wet, it usually means moisture has entered the internal components. Even though AirPods Pro are water resistant, they are not waterproof, so exposure to heavy water or submersion can trigger moisture sensors or affect the battery and circuitry. This often causes warning sounds, distorted audio, or connection problems. Acting quickly can help prevent permanent damage. Start by drying them immediately using a soft, lint-free cloth and gently remove moisture around the speaker mesh with a cotton swab. Place the AirPods facing downward so trapped water can drain out. Then leave them in a dry container with silica gel packets for at least 24 to 48 hours. Avoid charging or using them until they are completely dry, and never use heat like a hairdryer because it can damage internal parts. If the beeping or sound issues continue after drying, internal water damage may have occurred and contacting Apple support or using AppleCare Plus replacement options may be necessary.